We're going for a ride, we're going for a ride, we're going for a ride.
I've been doing the Earn-A-Bike program.
We've been learning all the parts of the bike and like how to patch a tire.
In case your bike is broken, you need to be able to fix it. ABC quick check. So A means air, B means brakes, C means chain, quick means check your quick check, which is on the front and rear wheel. So nothing like hanging down that can get caught in your wheel or stuff that can distract you from keeping your eyes on the road. It's kind of like driving. Woo, let's go. It's the most funnest thing to do, and also you can get good exercise. It made me feel really accomplished. I had learned so much, and it was kind of like a goal-getter earning the bike.